I've done loads of driving over the years on tracks and airfields and all sorts of places, but it's always been about driving for camera. It's never been about going smoothly and quickly around a racetrack. I've never learned a racetrack. I've told these guys they can come with me, but it's strictly in a stand back and watch, because I'm going to try and concentrate. Correct. The aim of today is to come to terms with the track, the car.
Stay down the right-hand side, we'll let the car behind through.
And set a benchmark for what might be achievable. Thankfully, I'm not alone in this feat and have drafted the help of Chris Ward, a prominent historic and classic racing driver known for his wins at the Spa 6 Hours in a Ford GT40, alongside great success in Formula Ford and GT4 racing. But first, a quick sighting lap to get my bearings.
So if we just understand the circuit again, it's probably been a while since you've been here.
Yep.
Think about the conditions, so we're going to do the wet line, and then we'll gradually chip away at pace as the session progresses. So we're not looking to try and find a lap time in the first few laps.
No, looking to find our way around.
That's it, yeah. Open at the steering to the left, use all of the road, stay on the left-hand side until the end of the curbs, and then bring the car back over towards the right. So fast complex ahead, the gear you're in is fine. Stay out to the right, that's it, stay out. Now bring it into the left, squeeze the throttle through. Little bit of a brake, and then back on the throttle to stabilise the car through. Let the car relax to the middle. So you can do all that complex in fourth gear. You don't need that last change down to third. Into fifth, aim for the start of the second grandstand. That's it, stay in fourth. Off the brakes, stay out. Balance the throttle, start to bring the car into the middle. Now start tightening up to the inside where the curbing is. At the end of the curb, then open up the steering to the left. Bring it back over towards the right-hand side, into fifth. Just carry the brake into the corner. In you go. Squeeze the throttle stability-wise. Looking into the right. In you go. Squeeze. Lift your vision through to the exit of the curbing. Stay out to the left-hand side. Stay out, stay out. Bring the car into the right. Open to the left. Into fourth.
With a few words of advice from Chris, it was time to press on.
Next time we'll short shift into fourth before we come through that final part. Stay in fourth through this section. So have your brake, stay out, look into the corner, off the brakes, balance the throttle. Squeeze now a little bit more, stay with the middle, looking into the left. Put the loaded car on the drier section, that's it, in you go. Squeeze the throttle through. Open the steering to the middle, bring the car back over to the left-hand side, have your brake down to third, just carry the brake into your clipping point. In. That's it, correct. Well done. And in you go to the right. That's it, have your brake.
Stick with third.
Squeeze. Stay with third, yep. Open at the steering, use all of the road. That's it. Short shift fourth, stay out. Now bring the car into the left. Look well down the straight, open at the steering. Brooklyn's ahead, late turn. You're looking for your sleeping policeman at the clipping point. So have your braking, down change, that's it. Stay out, just ease back off the brakes and then start to bring the car into your clipping point. Tighten it up to the clipping point there, that's it. Open at the steering, brake change to third, let the car come out and now bring it back for your last sleeping policeman. Just here, look through to your exit, open up, open. So look how much road you've got to spare there.
Really
in, stay down the right hand side, we'll let the car behind through. Back over to the left, that's it. Okay, we'll come in at the end of the lap, so just give the car a cool down.
So what are your observations in terms of what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths, if there are any, how am I doing?
Things that you need to do is just lift your vision a little bit. For example, this corner, you over-brake the car because you're not seeing the definition of the corner until the last minute, so you're reacting to it rather than being proactive to it and adjusting your braking accordingly. So that's an area that you can improve massively by just carrying more speed into the corner, just through not over-slowing the car. And then it's the transition from the brake to the throttle. Try and get onto the throttle that little bit earlier, just in terms of a balance, because you want to give the car stability. And the best way to give the car stability is to get on the throttle. So you're not looking at gaining speed at that point. You're saying, okay, I want you to drive me through the corner, but without gaining speed. Does that make sense? Just to give it stability till you've made your full directional change, and then you can start to squeeze the power on. But again, that comes through looking through the corner, so that on the way in you're looking for the profile, how much speed you can carry in, but straight away you're also lifting your vision through to the exit, so you can see when the balance is going to come in on the throttle and when you're going to start to accelerate and to start to open up the steering. Because as soon as you open the steering, the car will automatically pick up momentum because you've not got scrub on the front wheels.
Yeah.
I thought it was a really good session, to be fair.
Okay.
And you got better and better and better all the way through.
Right, I've been out for some training in the Mazda with Chris. Then it rained, so we didn't do anything for a bit. Now I'm going out in the Healey, and again, I'm just concentrating on trying to get a bit better.
Okay, so my first time in one of these, so bit of a learning curve for us both. Away you go, power now. Into third. In, use the curb, pick up the exit, full power out. And change. Bring it in slowly as you're sleeping, policeman. Now pick up the throttle, use the curb on the inside. That's it, drive the car out. Leave it in third, have your brake. Brake, brake, brake. That's it, now bring it in. A little bit more of a brake next time, just to get the front to bite. Open up the steering, use all the road. Leave it in fourth, don't worry about overdrive for the time being. Now drive it through, full power out. More power, more power, that's it. Okay, brake and change. Go down to second as he's compromising us a little bit. In, that's it. Normally this would be third. Okay, so tuck it in, that's it, tighten it. Open the steering, third. Stay out, in, tighten it up, that's it. Power out, and fourth. So braking, stay out, just roll it back off the brakes. Pick up your clipping point, aim at it, use the curb, commit to it, that's it. Now drive out, hard on the power, that's it. Have your brake, a little bit more, in. Now squeeze the throttle, that's better, in. Okay, in we go, that's it. Happened at the right point, eh?
It did though, it was going to go.
Where's the master switch on it?
Oh, that's the issue.
That's it.
We're not quite going to make it, or are we? The donkey died.
All right.
Thank you, sorry. Thank you, chaps.
Typical.
The donkey died.
They just die.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's almost as if the master switch flicked off, but it didn't.
Well, I'm terribly sorry about that, sir.
Well, we were going well, it was really good, I was enjoying it.
Stopped at a nice point, though.
Yeah, bloody hell, did it ever? We damn it, another couple of yards would have coasted in. I'm done in. It's amazingly hard work, concentrating that hard. Not for very long, but I have learned. I've really progressed. It's about getting my vision up, looking ahead, not reacting to what's happening at the end of the bonnet, but planning for what's coming next. I love this little car. Had a bit of a problem on the last lap for me, but we've fixed it. It moves a lot, and I enjoy that. I'm as ready as I think I'm gonna be for the Silverstone Classic. It's quite a big event. It's my first time racing with, there'll be people. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm glad I prepared a bit. There's more preparation to come. You can see that and the race itself on my show, Richard Hammond's Workshop on Discovery Plus. Hit a link in description. Hope you enjoy it as much as I'm going to.